To withdraw cash from a privately owned ATM, start by inserting your card into the slot. After a few seconds, the ATM will prompt you to enter your PIN, which you can do using the PIN pad below the screen, and then press the green Enter button. You will then be asked if you want your balance to be displayed on the screen. Press the button near the No option. Next, select the option near the Window choice. The ATM will then ask how you would like to receive your receipt, and you can choose to have it printed. Select the account from which you want to withdraw cash. In this case, it's likely to be a checking account if you're using a debit card. The following screen will provide options for the amount you want to withdraw, which should cover most needs. Once you've selected the amount, the ATM will display the fee associated with the withdrawal, which is the amount the ATM charges for the transaction. Confirm the fee by selecting the Yes option. The ATM will then release your card, dispense the cash after a few seconds, and print your receipt. Note that some banks may reimburse the ATM fee, so it's worth checking with your bank to see if they offer this service.